So my single cab got totaled after messing around with the insurance for months. They finally cut me a check, and I bought this truck after a while of searching. I tried to order a truck at the dealer, but the guys at the dealer, they said they took my order, but he never confirmed, never called me back. I called them like 5 times, they never answered. I tried calling the sales manager, he never called back. Found this truck online and bought it. Had a nightmare of shipping, a bunch of damages to the truck when I got it, all kind of stuff. That was a big headache, but got most of it sorted out. So I guess this is going to be a video showing what I've done so far. So far I took off those rock guards and put on these little shorty ones. Got those at the Ford dealer. Put in these brown floor mats instead of the carpet ones that it came with. I already bought a fur so I can do my interior in bull fur again. But I like this truck. It's got the giant screen in it versus the single cab's screen. Got the I like the tan interior. I'm gonna have to do something about that headliner. I don't like the black headliner. But I guess my next mod for the day is going to be exhaust. And there you can hear the cold start of the stock exhaust. It's a shame, I like that chrome tip, but I'm gonna have to get rid of that because when I put air ride on the truck, that exhaust pipe's gonna have to go. So it's gonna have to be dumped, and I got another 3.5 inch Flowmaster for it. It's a 3.5 inch pipe, so I'm gonna cut off that stock giant muffler you see down in there and the resonator, take that out and weld in some 3.5 inch pipe and a muffler with a turn down. See how it sounds. Here's about 15 minutes worth of progress. Got the old exhaust out. Okay, it's been about 2 hours start to finish. Got the old exhaust off. Got the new exhaust on. Would have been a little faster if my welder actually worked right. It's like a 20-year-old welder I inherited from my dad. And I can't get rid of it because it's his, but the gun just does not work on that thing. You gotta move it all kind of angles to get it to fire up and weld, but let's see how she sounds. Noticeably different in person. Sounds pretty good. Wish I had somebody to go rev it up for me, but I'm home alone and about to head off to work. So I'm happy with 2 hours of work in the garage or driveway before heading off to a 12-hour night shift. I wonder if my dad would be proud.